guys, back again to the future hour show here speaking. So this is just a small short lesson, yeah. The name of this lesson is forbid, yeah. So I was looking and I saw a little bit of I just for seconds, as soon as I came on the YouTube, yeah, because I was doing a little bit of work, yeah. I saw GMS narrator S his lesson, he was doing a live lesson. And he was going into first Maccabees, showing people like some stuff what like they did for us to be like this and don't do this and stuff like that. So let's get into the lesson. For the king had sent letters by messengers unto Jerusalem. This is first Maccabees 1 verse 44. For the king had sent letters by messengers unto Jerusalem and the cities of Judah that they should follow the strange laws of the land. 45. And forbid, listen, burnt offerings and sacrifice and drink offerings in the temple, that they should profane the Sabbaths and festival days, and pollute the sanctuary and holy people. No, they forbid burnt offerings. Look up the word forbid. I did a little research, yeah? Not to do or prohibit from burnt offerings. And again, people, our customs before, we had people that smoked. We smoked. Forbid.